Hi. So I'm gonna show you the house which Colin told me that I have to take a video. So Sean, this is your my birthday no like a Christmas present for you. First of all, let's see the outside of the building. Like this. Somebody said it's a bar downstairs. Let's see. I don't know if you need this information, but yep. So I'm gonna show you the entrance. Can you see that? All right. And can you hear me? What I say? Okay. So this is the entrance. Seems to be nice. Okay. Alright. Oh, by the way, that is the street, neighborhood. There's a small market over there. Okay. Let's go inside. Okay. There are two doors. And you can see over here, there's a stair. Oh, just a moment, looks not good. Just a moment. Alright. I'm going to this is the entrance. So first of all, I'm gonna go the left side. Okay. Okay. Oh, I have only 7 minutes, so I have to take this video quickly. Yep, like this. Maybe this. Oh, I forgot I didn't take it. It's a small storage. Yeah, both of these rooms seems to be 500 square feet. Next, we entrance over there. Now, next over here. Ay. You gotta fix someone. Someone is like 300 square feet maybe. And the window, big window over there. Looks like it's something before. Yep. Over here. Over there also something like wrong, so you need to fix it. This is a bathroom. Okay, let's go to second floor because if no, I don't have a memory. Let's go quickly. All right. Okay, let's go to the second floor.
Sweeping stairway going up, right?
Over there, the Colin.
Start your unit downstairs right around down there. So when you walk in,
Okay.
let me show you. So you walk in, you do these doors up nice. Okay, bring it back to its, I'll try to do something fabricated.
Kind of. Oh, over there's something. Let's see. Smell is so mold. Smell is super bad. It's another. Oh, I didn't know that there's a stair. Maybe you can go outside over here. I don't know. Alright, next. Small. Over here, like 100 square feet, maybe. Or maybe a little bit more. Over here, next room. You can see the outside. There's a lot of window. So I'm gonna go upstairs, third floor. Yep. This room has like 130 square feet. Ah, cha 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 cha. Bathroom. And you fix that one. If you are in Japan, maybe this house is not good for the earthquake. Last one. That one. Tiny. I don't know how they say, but you can come over here and you can see the Boston. It's tiny, small place. I don't know for what. Just maybe just see the city and drink wine maybe. Okay, so it's there the Boston. So seems to be Boston is really close from here, so location is really good. Okay, my report is finished. Did you like it, Sean? So if I can get the vacation in the end of this month, no, this next month, let's see. I don't know. So I hope you like the video. Alright, bye bye.